Outdoor game. The outdoor party game in America. Con Jam is tremendously fun and a popular competitive team game similar to cornhole, washer toss and horseshoes. How to play. Take turns throwing and deflecting the flying disc across the yard, beach, or park at the goal. 21 points wins, or go pro and slot the flying disc for an instant win. Easy setup. So easy to set up, you can play in seconds. USA made. Con Jam is proudly made in the USA. Play anywhere. Con Jam is perfect for the backyard, the beach, the park, a tailgate. Con Jam is so lightweight and easy to assemble you can bring it anywhere, set up and play within seconds. Easy to store. Easy to store Con Jam in your trunk, closet or garage. Top reviews from the United States. Super fun game for summer. My nephews introduced me to this game and it is fun. It's a team game, so fun to get the whole family involved. Basically you have one member from each team by one of the goals, the other member stands by the other goal and throws the frisbee trying to get it into the goal basket. The teammate close to the goal basket hits the frisbee to help it either go inside or touch the goal basket in order to get points for their team. Then that team member throws the frisbee back, attempting to do the same thing with the other teammate trying to help the frisbee go into the other goal basket. The number of points each toss can get depends on if the frisbee goes into the basket without help, with help, or touches the goal basket with or without help. The first team to make it to 21 points wins. This is a great game for summer.